Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video let's learn about how to delete YouTube search history. So let's get started. At first we can simply go to this search icon and we'll be able to see few searches we have done if you have not paused the search history. And you'll be able to see the cross mark over here. Simply click on that to delete the search history of a specific one. But if you want to delete the entire search history, we can go to this profile icon in the bottom right corner and click on settings icon on the top right. Now let's click on manage all history and choose the account. Now let's click on controls and let's click on manage history over here in the bottom. Now let's click on delete over here in the right and click on delete all time. Now let's click on delete. So it's done. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.